Art Friends, today we are going to draw a heart sugar cookie.
Yeah, with frosting. It's gonna be like decorating a real sugar cookie. We hope you're gonna follow along, except it's not a real sugar cookie. And I'm hungry already. All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Okay. Instead of using our black marker to draw with, we're gonna switch things up and use our colors. And we're using our Art for Kids hub set. If you have the same markers, you can use the same color. We're using 24. This will be our cookie color. But it's okay if you don't have this set and you have a different brand, you could just use a color that matches. Or if you're using colored pencils, same thing. All right, let's draw our heart shape. And I'm gonna use the thick side just for fun. And we're gonna draw 2 guide points. I like doing this for our hearts. It gives us a place to aim and start. You can slide it a little bit more in front of you too, if that helps. And we're gonna draw the left side first. I always think that this helps because I'm right-handed. That way when I'm drawing the right side, I can look over here at the left side and try to match it. And so if our art friends are left-handed, they could do the opposite. They could draw on the right side first and then the left side. So I like this because now when I'm drawing this side, I can look over at the left to try and match. And sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. And that's okay if they're different. And I like that our 2 shapes aren't exactly the same because the most important thing is
to have fun and to practice.
Yeah, have fun and practice. Okay, we're gonna leave that shape just like that, and we're gonna switch to a color that we want to use for frosting. I'm gonna pick a bright pink. And we have number 88, and our friends can pick even a completely different color if you want to use red or maybe even blue for your heart. All right, we're going to use this to draw some frosting that's going all the way around our cookie. And I'm kind of making it wobbly so it looks like natural frosting. We're going to go around and then connect where we started. Oh, I like that yours is really thick. I'm gonna do that too. I'm gonna go back around and make another line, and then I'm gonna fill it in. You can also pause the video right now and take time to change your drawings. You could add different designs or decorations to your cookie. This is the fun part. When you're decorating real sugar cookies, we just go crazy and add all kinds of colors and shapes. I always like how you decorate yours.
Oh, thanks. I love how you decorate yours too.
I usually eat mine before I finish decorating.
That's true. That's usually common.
So there's nothing to look at.
That is true.
And then we're going to use this to color in the entire inside of our pink heart so that we have even more frosting. And then also we'll color the outside with the rest of the cookie color to finish our decorations. We could also add sprinkles and other things too if you want. We did it. We finished decorating our heart cookies and they look really cool, especially like our sprinkles.
Yeah, mine looks extra toasty too.
I like that you added a second layer and it made it darker. It looks really cool. Now let's switch to our black marker because we're still missing something on our cookies.
A funny face.
Yeah, let's start by drawing the mouth. I'm gonna draw a real happy smile and also I'm gonna draw open. And I think it's fun that we're using the black marker at the end. Sometimes this helps, especially if you're using alcohol-based markers like these, because the black will smear if you use a light color on top of it. So now we could add a tongue, and let's also add eyes. I'm going to draw a big circle and just color right over, or draw right over the sprinkles. Then we can also add that highlight, a smaller circle in the top left, and color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. And also, I forgot to mention to pause the video if you need that extra time, especially to decorate your cookies. And also, if you want to change your funny face, you could take extra time to add eyelashes or even a bow. You could add other things like chocolate chips.
Or even Cupid wings.
Oh, that would be really cute. You could also add eyelashes. Hallie always adds them.
Always add eyelashes.
Yeah. 3 on each side. Oh, that's cute. Then I'm gonna trace around the outside of the cookie too for a border. Let's also switch to our red markers to color in the tongue and also a darker red for the back of the mouth. And last, we have our acrylic paint marker we can use to make the highlights in the eyes extra white. And if you want, you could even add an extra highlight. And the last thing I like doing to our eyes is using a blue colored pencil for another reflection in the bottom of the eyes. And we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our sugar cookies. They turned out awesome.
I love that it felt like we were really decorating them.
Yeah, like real cookies. And I think our art friends probably made their cookies super crazy.
And delicious.
Yeah, that too.
We hope you had fun drawing sugar cookies.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.